Hi, Farmer Dean here, and we're gonna make my famous baked cabbage, okay? It's so simple and such a great recipe for you. So I got a head of cabbage that I cut out of my garden, and I'm just gonna cut this, and I haven't cored it, okay? And I didn't core it for a reason, because I want it to stay together. So we're just cutting this, and we're haven't cored it. And we're just going to lay it on a parchment paper. Don't use that damn tin foil. We don't want it in tin foil. We don't need to eat it. It's not good for you. Okay, so here we are. Okay, going to spray it with some avocado oil. This is so simple. I like a little garlic powder on it. You don't have to put garlic on it. You can do anything you want to with it, but we're going to spice it up just a little bit. Now, if you like, you can put some red pepper flakes on here also. I'm not going to, because I'm going to feed this to people that don't like spicy stuff. So this is how it is. That's how simple it is. So I'm going to put it in the oven at 395 for about 25 minutes, and I'm going to check it. So we're going to pull the cabbage out. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now we're going to finish it off. And how do we finish it off? We take Parmesan cheese, lots of Parmesan cheese. I love Parmesan cheese. And we sprinkle that on top. And then we're just going to stick it back in the oven for probably about 3 minutes, enough for this to really brown up nice and melt nice. Ooh, doesn't that look gorgeous? Okay. We're going to stick her back in the oven. For about 3 minutes. And then it'll be all done. So I'm taking it out of the oven with the Parmesan cheese melted on it. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to let it cool down, and then I'm going to taste it. So I can hardly wait to try this, see how it turned out. I love the Parmesan, it melted nicely. I'm going to take a couple bites here. Let's see. OMGs, that's good. Great side dish.